All right, guys, 2013 Toyota FRS. Lower, rims, sexy. Anyways, what we got done on it, factory converter there, factory resonator. Then he's got an aftermarket secondary resonator there, all stainless steel, 2.5. And then we added this elbow in and made it, instead of a dual, a single. And he brought his own muffler. It's a GREDDY muffler. There'll be a link in the description for it right there, out one side. Check it out. Looks clean. Nice. I like it. GREDDY setup muffler. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. And if you guys didn't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. GREDDY muffler. Stock resonator, aftermarket. That sounds good. Clean car, all the way from Georgia. Here's sound decibels again. 99. Again. He has been GREDDY. Ain't bad at all. Let you guys hear on the inside. Toyota FRS Toyota with a GREDDY muffler. There she goes. That's really clean. I like it. Let me know, guys. I like it. It's clean sound.